We're dropping off the SS to paint. They're gonna do the bodywork and paint. We're dropping off the SS to paint. They're gonna do the bodywork and paint. So this is what it looks like before.
This is what this is looking like. We pinpointed every little dent, try to get it, taken care of. Primer both doors. This fender had a little dent right here, so we brought that back. Right here. This is what this is looking like. Right there. Right there. Boom, boom. The door. It's almost there. It's almost there.
Here we go, first look. They did an amazing job on the paint job. Looks sick. That's all squared away. Putting a roof rack on there so I can put my bike on there. I need to do coilovers, angle kit. I have the coilovers there. Coilovers in the rear, differential, and the 408 stroker and clutch. There's the headers there that I'm putting on. I have a mess of parts. SS, GTO, you name it, it's all thrown here. The 408 stroker there, that came out of the Corvette. And I also received today the GTO motors on that side. But I have to finish putting everything together in here. So that's what I'm going to do. Put all the interior together. Pull apart the center console so I can get the motor out. And the motor should be coming out today. All right, so we got the whole front end off. I'm not sure if I'm taking off the hood. It is kind of a pain because technically you should take off all the cal stuff and the hood just so the motor doesn't hit nothing. It's just kind of a pain to get all in there, but might have to do it. So super exhausted, man. I'm tired, but the show must go on. I need this out by today. So it's almost ready to come out. The interior is all put back together. Door panels on there, that's released. Some of the exhaust is all off. So I just need to take off the rest of the exhaust and then mounts, drive shaft, and she's ready to pull. All right, so the motor's out. The car currently looks like this. It's definitely not supposed to look like this. I am exhausted, tired, sweaty, dirty, all the above. I got to get ready to get out of here, drive an hour and a half to my buddy Nima's shop to get the coilovers that Josh fabbed up for me so that we can put this angle kit on. So we're going to be heading out of here. Got to leave it as is for now and start disassembling everything off the motor tomorrow. Clean that motor bare, put everything on the 408 stroker, get the 408 stroker ready to go in, get the Mantic clutch on there. So it's day 2. We're working on the clutch. Trying to figure out, it's midday already, we're trying to figure out the measurements on the clutch. Motor's still out, obviously it's sitting there. Gotta pull all the accessories and everything off that. And we need to get it on this guy over here. I have the tranny sitting on there right now because we're trying to measure the clutch. It is way too hot for all this, nothing seems to be going well. So, I'm ready to give up for today. So, transmission is all ready to go. The slave is back on there. MGW short shifter. 408 stroker is all ready to go as well. We're going to have to use my GTO clutch. The triple disc was just too big inside the bell housing. It just didn't have enough room. So we're going to try to get it in tomorrow. We're on day 3 of this. Normally this would take me 1 day or maybe 2. So tomorrow will be day 3. And hopefully we'll have it in there running. It's a sneak peek of the wheels. All right, so for those that have been following this build on Instagram, you have seen a little bit of everything. See the wheels, they're back there. The angle kit is on. I do have to remove the sway bar. Shout out to Blue 808 on that. And shout out to the paint shop, man. This thing came out amazing. Got it hella dirty. Got a roof rack on there. So, got the hood on the roof rack. Got a cold air intake. Flex fuel sensor. I do have some injectors I'm going to put on here. Other than that, it's pretty much stock besides coilovers. We put in a short shifter. There's a short shifter in there. GTO motor is back as well. That needs to get installed soon. Got to do the rear coilovers and differential. But for those that have been following this build, it's a sneak peek of everything that's going on. Today is the 9th, and we have till I want this done this weekend. So today's Monday. I want this tuned and everything by Sunday. Aligned, tuned, the whole 9. Even AC working by Sunday. It's a long shot, but I'm going to try. After that, I need to put all my focus into the GTO and make sure the GTO is up and going. So hopefully I can get this squared away this weekend. I didn't want to fill you guys with a whole bunch of me working on the car because I know it gets boring to watch. Nobody wants to see me working on this car all the time. You guys want to see the fun. So thank you guys for watching this video. Next video, you're going to see this thing running and driving. So thank you.